And a small but very useful feature is extend frame. For example, we have a GIF image that is very small and finish. If you drag and drop in the timeline, you can see if we reach to the that and play it, and it's done. But we need to extend it more. You can repeat it very easily. You can come here and right click from here, make it there. You can repeat media. Make sure that it's free to extend left or right. You can right click and this menu will pop up, and we don't need to extend frame. It's the media, it's a GIF, okay? And you can repeat image to repeat media, it's a GIF to the left or to the right. And it is a repeat and repeat. You can see, you can change it. And you can see it's playing and playing forever. Or if you want, you can extend it more. If you want. It's repeat and repeat. Or if you right click here, you can repeat media again to the left, more and more. But make sure you are at the end of your, you can see, make sure that you are at the end and right click and repeat media to the left, extend it to anywhere that you want. Nice. You can repeat it. Let's see here. If you right click, and you can see, because this is an not video that we can extend, you cannot extend it. Repeat media if you want to the right. In this case, you can see it, you have to open the way of the extension, okay? And this video will be repeat. Nice. So make sure that you open the way to extend, not in a close. And then this action will be pop up. You can see it's not there because you need to open it at the left or right, and then repeat media will be pop up to the left or to the right if you need.